Hi everyone, welcome to the all summer long collaboration hosted by left-handed crafter who is Brandy. Hi Brandy. I'm going to apologize. I sent her a message, but I'm late. We were supposed to post at 10 a.m. Eastern or 11 Central. And I know both of us, Brandy and I, hate that people, when they commit, don't post on time. And here I am not posting on time. So I do apologize. I don't know. All I'm going to say is I'm having a rough 2 days from an emotional standpoint. I think the holidays and yeah, something's getting to me, and I'll just leave it at that. So anyway, and I didn't have it done before that as much as I wanted to. So I will show you what I did first because I know people hate me going through everything. Well, some people do. Anyway, here's what I made. Our theme this month was fruit, and the color was yellow. Well, I have some bananas, and I have some lemons. And then, did I bring these over here? Hang on, I'm missing something. One sec. Okay, so basically what I did to start on this is I knew I had these fruits. So I had these grapes, and then when I was putting them away, I found I had some other grapes from EE Beads, which are check glass, and I've had them for years. I don't know that these are check glass. Oh yeah, they are. I had lemons. I used 2 lemons, one of each grape, 2 bananas, and then I was going to use these oranges, but at the time I couldn't figure out the hole. Well, I've since checked them. They're top drilled. That's so weird for oranges, right? I really expected them to be, and I kept poking this dimple trying to get the thing through, and I thought all of them are just like shut, you know, but they're not. They go like this. So I didn't use them because I didn't know that at the time, and I just kind of gave up on them and pulled out some other orange beads. So yeah, there's that. And then this Lobster Clasp is Fire Mountain H2OA3391FN. And I don't think I got them too long ago because I don't have too many of the larger antique brass. It has a flower on it, so anyway. And then this bead is from a pack that looks like this. I originally got it out thinking I'd use one of these larger orangey yellow or the red ones, but I had 2 of these yellow ones. So the color was yellow, so I used that. These are from Oriental Trading, and it said on the website, or maybe it didn't say anything, and I wrote glass ? I think they were supposed to be glass, but the majority of them are acrylic. This is definitely not glass, it's acrylic. I did use some chain that I got from Bisou Boutiques. I discovered I don't have a lot of brass chain or antique brass. I have some antique bronze, but I love this chain. Look at this chain. Isn't that cool? It's called Bead and Link Commuter Chain, Brass Oxide. It's not real cheap. I got 4 feet of it, and I only used about 3 or 4 inches of it. I'll have to check, I don't remember. So yeah, it's really pretty chain. I did use a whole pack of the ball end antique brass head pins from Bead. There were only 20 in a pack. I used a couple, maybe 5 or something actually, of these 2-inch regular head pins from Bead. And I showed you that already. Okay, I used quite a few of these. I just got these from a Hobby Lobby haul. I used them mostly on these beads here, and those beads are, they're called Crackle Glass, and I had bought them. There's a shop about 40 minutes, 45, no, probably almost an hour away actually, called Flower and Craft Warehouse. It was an in-person shop. It had like flowers and crafts and home goods, and you know, sort of like a private Hobby Lobby kind of thing. but they had a jewelry section in a separate room, and I remember getting these. My mom was with me at the time. But they have yellow, they're like half yellow, half red, Crackle Glass, and it's a huge long strand. They had like a whole wall of them hanging at the time. And I paid $3.95 for, I don't know how many beads. I think it's 65 usable beads or something like that. Usable, because some of them are not. Anyway, I used like 4 or so of those, and I also used some of these bead caps. No, they're by Vintage. I had gotten them at Fusion Beads in 2013. I didn't use them all in either case. Okay, I had some bellflower beads here in lemon lime, so I thought that was kind of appropriate. And then I have crystals, well, they're glass, they're Chinese crystal, and these were from Oriental Trading. It was a, I don't know what they called it, yellow mix or something. Gray and yellow crystal assortment. They're all bicones in different sizes. I'm gonna say like 4, 6, and 8 millimeter or something like that. I don't know, I bought them a while ago. And then I felt like I needed more yellow, so I found these. These are vintage German beads I got from Fire Mountain a while back. And let's see, I had these frosted, all different color, and I thought, because I didn't have any oranges, oh, I'm missing one other pack of beads. I felt like I needed like cherries and oranges, and so I used a couple of the round red ones, frosted like this here with the crystal. And well, actually that's not one of those. That's one of these, which came from Beadbox Bargains. They're 8 millimeter semi-round glass beads. I bought not too long ago, actually, and I used a few of those. And then I had these top drilled Evergreen pressed leaf beads. These are not check glass, and I'll just show you something. They are top drilled this way, but you can see that white in there. This is not an expensive bead. It's not check glass. It's probably from India, somewhere like that. Oops, and they probably said where it was from on their website at the time, but I bought this a long while ago because they're not in business anymore. And let's see, anything else? I don't know. Yes, I had, I might have used them. Let me see something. I'll be right back again. Well, I don't know what I do with the package, but I had a couple of these little orange sort of ceramic beads. I might have finished them, but I thought I kept the packet, but I can't find it. So I have like 4 of them on there. I don't have a whole lot of orange beads. I have some, but not a whole lot, and some just didn't look right to me. So anyway, that's what I did. I made a chunky charm with fruit and some leaves on, and some of them I wire wrapped to look like vine, like for example the grapes. I have the wire twisting up to look vine-ish. Most of them I wire wrapped and then put them on with jump rings. These little 5 millimeter 18 gauge antique brass jump rings from, I'm gonna say, I don't know. I think Beadbox Bargains, but I could be wrong, because it doesn't look like that's what I wrote up here, but it's fading. And then one other thing is, I thought I had some, I really don't like split rings, but I really wanted one for right here. I tried putting 2 larger jump rings in, but I made the hole too small on the top of this, so they don't fit. So I'm gonna have to get some split rings in antique brass and replace this, because I just don't trust just one ring on there. So that's the only other thing that I'm not crazy about, but I think otherwise it turned out pretty good. There are a couple things I might adjust, but like these greens keep wanting to seem to go next to each other. There we go. Does anybody else get picky like that, you know? Anyway, I think it turned out good. I used a lot of yellow, and yeah, like that. See the flowers? Sometimes when you shake it, they just want to go together, right? But in there we got lemon and bananas together. So I don't have any coconut, so we can't put the lime in the coconut. We got lemon lime, we got yellow, we've got some yellow in these beads, we got the yellow in these Chinese crystal, and sort of a matte yellow on there. So I did use yellow, I did use fruit, and that is my project. I hope you enjoyed it. And I have to figure out how much this will be, because I'll put it up for sale. And I love this bead, actually, even though it's acrylic. It's pretty cool. Doesn't really go with the theme, but you know, oh well. It is what it is at this point. So see how they're laying like that? I don't want that. I don't want the same colors together. I'm funny that way. But yeah, you can see a lot of rings and chains. Anybody else not like that part? I don't know. Yeah, I'm being too picky. And then I pulled these out and I completely forgot I had them. These would have been pretty in there. Orange sherbet bellflowers, coated orange sherbet from Eureka Crystal back in 2012. Yes, I have stuff from way back when. And there will be a video about my journey sometime soon on my Dahlia Designs channel, my jewelry making journey. All right. Thank you so much for watching. So sorry, Brandy, that I'm late, and I'll do better next month, I promise. Unless something totally weird and unexpected comes up life-wise. So, all right, everyone. Have a wonderful day, and I hope to talk to you again soon. Do come back again next month on the 20th for another theme. And I will mostly be doing paper craft in this, but when I saw fruit and I knew I had these fruit beads, I just wanted to use them. I might add a couple oranges on now too, now that I know where the holes are. Take care, everyone. Have a wonderful holiday. If I don't talk to you before then, I probably will, but just in case, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, be safe, stay warm. It's pretty cold here. Or stay cool if you're in a tropical climate. And until next time, hugs, love, and peace.